Smart features. How to find a phone or watch. On your watch, Step 1. Swipe top to bottom once on the home screen. Step 2. Click the Find Phone icon and tap to find your phone. Your phone will start ringing if it's within the Bluetooth range of the smartwatch. On your phone, Step 1. Open the CB Active app, go to Device tab. Step 2. Tap on the anti-lost and activate it. Your watch will start vibrating if you go beyond the Bluetooth range of the smartphone. How to control music on the watch. Step 1. Swipe bottom to top once on the home screen. Step 2. Scroll and select the music icon. Step 3. Control your music via play, pause, change track, or volume from your smartwatch. Note: disconnect BT 3.0 from phone in order to control music from watch.